Hi children, welcome back. In last video we learned about stars, planets, constellations, etc. Right? In this video we are going to learn about satellites and solar system. Satellites are small heavenly bodies that revolve around planets. Here, satellites means small heavenly bodies that revolve around the planets. Whereas planets are heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. This is the main difference in between satellites and planets. Here, look at this slide. In this slide, we can see our planet Earth, and this is the moon. And here, the moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. Next, solar system. The sun and the 8 planets revolving around it, along with their satellites, make up the solar system. Here, the sun and the 8 planets revolving around it, along with their satellites, make up the solar system. In our solar system, we have star, that is sun. So, all planets revolving around the sun with their satellites. Together, we call as solar system. Here, look at this slide. In this slide, you can see the sun, and here first planet Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, here Uranus and Neptune, right? Here you can see this is our star, sun, and Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, right? This is the order of the 8 planets. And here, more about planets. Now we are going to learn about these planets in detailed manner. First, name of planet, Indian name, order according to distance from sun, number of satellites, interesting facts. First, we will learn about Mercury. Here, in previous slide, you can see Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun, and Neptune is away from the sun, right? Mercury is near to the sun. Here, Mercury, Indian name Budh, and it is first planet. Number of satellites 0, means no satellites. Boiling hot by day and freezing cold at night. It is interesting fact about Mercury. It means it's extremely hot during daytime and extremely cold at night time. Next, Venus. Its Indian name Shukra, second planet, and the number of satellites 0, no satellites. Brightest planet called morning star or evening star, as it is seen at dawn or dusk. It means it has one special name, that is brightest planet. Why we have given this name? We can see very clearly Venus during daytime or nighttime. Here you can observe 2 new words, dawn or dusk. Dawn means sunrise, dusk means sunset. So that's what we can see very clearly during daytime and nighttime. Earth. Its Indian name Prithvi, third planet. Number of satellites 1. What is that? Just now we discussed, right? Moon. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Only planet that supports life. Exactly. Here, among all planets, Earth is the only planet which supports life. Mars. Its Indian name Mangal. It is fourth planet and it has 2 satellites. Covered with red dust, appears red in night sky, thus it is called the red planet. Here, do you know this Mars planet covered with red dust? That's what it appears red in night sky. So, it is the reason why we are calling this Mars as red planet. Its name comes from Mars, the Roman god of war. Children, do you know the Roman people, they have god of war. What is that Roman god of war? Mars. That's what they have given that Mars name to the planet. That is Mars, fourth planet in our solar system. And Jupiter, its Indian name Brihaspati. It's fifth planet. It has 66 satellites. Just imagine, it has more number of satellites among all planets. And largest and fastest spinning planet, do you know? This Jupiter planet, it spins very fast. That's what it is, largest and fastest spinning planet. Weighs more than 318 Earths put together. It means if you compare Earth weight and Jupiter weight is more than Earth weight 318 times. Just imagine. And wider than 11 Earths side by side. It means if you arrange 11 times Earth, how much we will get width? That width is equal to Jupiter width. So just imagine, that's what this Jupiter is, the largest or widest planet, not only the fastest spinning planet. And next, Saturn, its Indian name Shani. It is sixth planet and it has 62 satellites. Its rings are made up of ice, rocks and dust. Here, look at this slide, children. In this slide, you can see one ring structure around the Saturn, right? This ring is made up of ice, rocks and dust. Next, Uranus. Its Indian name is Arun. It is seventh planet. It has 27 satellites covered with a thick layer of beautiful blue-green gas. It means Uranus planet covered with blue-green gas. Neptune. Its Indian name Varun. It is 8th planet. It has 13 satellites. Has cold winds that blow at a speed greater than that of a flying plane. This sentence means extremely cold. It's unbearable. It's too cold, children. Yeah, children. Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune also have rings around them, but these are not very prominent. Here prominent means not clear. So Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune also have rings around them, but these rings are not clear. Till now, whatever we have learned from the topic, we have new words here. They are satellites, S-A-T-E-L-L-I-T-E-S, satellites. Heavenly, H-E-A-V-E-N-L-Y, heavenly. Revolve, R-E-V-O-L-V-E, revolve. Solar system, S-O-L-A-R-S-Y-S-T-E-M, solar system. Freezing, F-R-E-E-Z-I-N-G, freezing. Spinning, S-P-I-N-N-I-N-G, spinning. With this, our topic completed. Thank you, children.